Welcome back to another edition of Tools We Use, pressure washing. We use commercial grade BE pressure washers. This is a high-end quality machine. It runs 4,200 PSI, 5 gallons per minute, and it's got a Honda engine on it, so it's extremely reliable. These machines are incredible for hard surfaces like concrete, driveway, walkways, hardscaping, and we can turn that pressure down plenty whenever we're working on certain kinds of siding, wood lap siding, vinyl siding. So we're very aware and careful about the kinds of pressure that we apply to different surfaces.